Alright, what's up you guys? It's your boy, Justin Passetti, back again with another Breaking Down the Game of Volleyball episode 4. So I'm really looking forward to making these videos now. I've definitely edited all my recent videos so that each game, there's no like lag time between each set or each point, so it'll be a continuous point by point. So then I know a lot of people are putting their input. I really do appreciate that, everybody, making the input so I can make these videos better so that everybody can enjoy these even more. And also just a huge announcement that I have made a Patreon page. So look down in the link in the description below. I put my Patreon page because I am not releasing all the videos all at the same time. I'm trying something a little like different. I'm trying to experiment with the whole YouTube algorithm. So I really do appreciate if you be able to follow me on my Patreon page, and also on my social media pages. I greatly appreciate that. And before we get on with the video, just a friendly reminder to please hit that like and subscribe button. It really does help out my YouTube channel, puts my YouTube videos out there, and it also helps you find videos that you would like to see in the near future. And also don't forget, like I mentioned right now, follow me on Facebook and on Instagram, all at Justin Passetti. I post a lot more on Instagram in regards to all the videos that I'm making, so if you really want to check out any other highlights or any other announcements about my YouTube page, definitely check me out on Instagram. But now let's get on with this video. Alright, nice serve. Hey, we like starting that game off strong. Oh, okay. Let's pause right there. So, like, when you're trying to, like, when we're getting an overhand pass, or, like, for example, if it's a free ball right away, always be ready to make that decision as to what you would like to do with the ball. Definitely a communication. For that one right there, it was kind of like, it could have been either one. We could have taken a couple steps back, made an approach, and then attacked the ball from there, or we can just get ready to pass the ball to the setter. And there are definitely multiple options. Realistically, honestly, since that ball was kind of floating in the air and then there was no other blockers on the other side, realistically, for me, normally if I had the chance, I would attack the ball right away, but definitely communicate and then be prepared to know what you want to do with the ball as long as you're in the right position. Nice serve. Alright, cool. Nice. Okay. So on that last play, you'll see that Yaya was going around for like a slide ball because that's what we wanted to do. But then also remember, when you're not getting set the ball, always remember to play defense. So it's always called covering. Covering your attacker or the person that's hitting the ball on your side of the net, because, you know, there could always be blocks, any type of rebounds that could happen, especially when it comes to volleyball. So as you can tell, that's what kind of happened. So if you are an attacker and you are not getting the set, always just turn your hips towards the hitter where the ball is, and then most realistically, you will not be able to take any steps for the positioning because the game would be too fast. So most realistically, just turn your body facing and cover your hitter, and then and honestly, the ball usually does come to you. Just always be ready for a touch or anything like that. Nice swing. Oh, nice set. Oh, okay. There's like a small hole on that block. Cool, cool. Nice set. Nice spot. It's alright. Good touch, good touch. Nice pass. Oh yeah. Lefty. Free ball. Okay. Oh, okay. I'm gonna go back on that play. Alright, cool. Let's start off from the beginning. Okay, here we go. Nice serve. Nice free ball pass. There we go, 2 ball. Nice. And then right here. So, hold on a second. Maybe take a second more. So, As you can tell, Manny is on the other side of the net. He's an outsider. Realistically, for me especially, I will not try to block that ball. I would consider that more as a free ball because it is basically a down ball. There is no way that there could be that amount of speed where he can put in that amount of like topspin where it's as if he's jumping, unless you're maybe like 8 foot. But like realistically, consider that as a free ball and be ready to like pass and move around. So then as you can get that free ball, it'll be able to start that whole offense. We can start our quicker offense because everyone's ready. It's because they're treating it like a free ball. And then right there also setters, especially for me, don't forget to play defense first. I know I usually, and it's kind of funny because since I play libero, you would think that I'd be able to dive for those balls like instinctively, but kind of knowing your responsibilities on the court, I try not to, so then everyone else can get a touch. But also at the same time, you got to know when to go for that ball, especially when you're playing setter on the court. Oh, nice serve. The tape, man, the tape. All right, now that's on Manny. Nice serve. Free ball. All right, cool. You got that one. Nice. Free ball. Free ball. 1, 2, 3. Nice, nice. Oh, nice serve. Nice set. A little low. Alright, a little high. Nice, nice, nice. Nice touch, nice touch. Ooh, that's a good spot. That's Kevin. Nice swing, man. Nice pass. There we go. Oh, might be a little too far off. Oh yeah, pipes. Love that. Oh, that's a nice pass though. Oh. Nice serve. Oh. Gotta love that ceiling action. Oh, my legs, my legs. Oh man, we're breaking down a little bit right now. Alright, good pass. There we go. Nice spot. Nice spot. That's in. Oh, guess not. Guess it was out. I'm gonna go take a pause here. So yeah, especially when we're playing out of system, I know getting those kills may like improve the momentum always, but realistically, everyone's out of position. Try to keep the ball in play. It doesn't have to be a beautiful kill. Put it in a smart place so then the other team, the opposing team, is forced to move around because that can cause the same amount of drama on the other side as if you hit that ball really hard. So either way, that's just my opinion. I don't always go for the flash kills if I know, since I'm not really always capable of, since, you know, I'm only like 5'3" and everything like that. But like, you know, you do get those spur of the moments type of feeling, but always remember where everyone else is on the court and then try to, it's maybe it's because I like playing for long rallies too. I think that's really it, that underlying reason. But yeah, always try to play a little, you know, making the other team work is what I like to do. Oh, your shoe, bro. Alright. Dang, he got me there. Because we really don't have that many blockers. But also on that play, you'll see that I kind of set the ball over on the third set. And the worst thing is setting the ball with your back behind the net on a third pass. Honestly, everyone on the other team knows where it's going to go. It's going to go over the net. It's a free ball. But honestly, take the effort to turn, push it to a corner or where the player is going to be forced to move around. Like I said earlier in the video, it really does make a huge difference making the other team work because then it throws them out of system and then it gives your team a chance to rally back to defense and be prepared for what their oncoming attack is going to be. Ooh, nice swing. Oh, was that out? Oh, that was out. Dang. Nice serve. Touch. Where we going? Oh, D-ball. Hey, let's go. Nice serve. Nice set. Oh. Oh, Royce, you're killing it this game, man. Nice set. Oh. Oh. Yeah, it is what it is. That was a good swing. That was a good block, too. What you gonna do? Alright. So, really appreciate you guys watching this video. I'm breaking down the game of volleyball episode 4. Really hoping to see you guys on another episode. Like I said earlier, check out the Patreon page down below. I post all the volleyball games that I made, so since I'm posting kind of daily, but if you really want to check all of them out all before they all come out, if you don't have the time, you know, eventually down the week, check it all out. But what else? And also just a friendly reminder to please hit that like and subscribe button. It really does help on my YouTube channel, puts my YouTube videos out there, and it also helps you find content that you would like to see in the near future. And also don't forget to follow me on Facebook and on Instagram, all at Justin Bassetti. Like I mentioned earlier, I really do post a lot more on Instagram in regards to all the videos that I'm making on my YouTube channel, so definitely give me a holler over there. But like I said, I really do appreciate you guys watching these videos, commenting, and then always putting your input how to make these videos better. I'm really looking forward to more of these. I'm really looking forward to seeing you guys on another episode, but it's your boy Justin Bassetti, so try to keep up. Hi, deuces.